you looking for Victorville, California homes for sale? Well, you're in the right place. It doesn't matter if you're already living in Victorville, California, or if you're just thinking about moving to Victorville, California. Check out this Victorville, California virtual open house home tour. My name is Dave Rupp, also known as Dr. Hot Rod the Realtor. I'm a Victorville, California real estate agent with the Exp Realty. I'm telling you, do not let your wife see this kitchen or she will buy this house. Tons of counter space, tons of cabinetry, shelving, high-end stove, oven, microwave, stainless steel dishwasher, sink, big open floor plan, granite countertops. This kitchen is to die for.